IISF 2021 is being organized jointly by the MOES, Department of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, in collaboration with Vigyana Bharati, brought to you by India Science. We now bring to you a curtain raiser of IISF being held from 10 to 13th December in Panaji, Goa. The National Centre for Polar and Ocean Research, an autonomous institute under the MOES, is the nodal agency organizing IISF 2021. And the theme of IISF 2021 is celebrating creativity in science, technology and innovation for a prosperous India. As part of this theme, all IISF 2021 programs will reflect the spirit and idea of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav of the Government of India, which aims to mark 75 glorious years of Indian independence in 2022 through a series of cultural and scientific events conducted by various ministries across the country. IISF 2021 is being organized in a hybrid model. It will be available for both virtual and in-person meet. It will have 12 programs, including the Mega Science Technology, the Industry Expo. These programs will be categorized under 5 sections. Freedom Struggle. These will commemorate the role of the scientific community in Indian independence. They would help elaborate the role of the scientific community in the freedom struggle, the emergence of scientific institutions and scientific movements, and the role of the Indian scientific community in the freedom struggle. Then we have Ideas at 75. These are aimed to discuss new science and technology ideas for New India, such as smart hospitals in city, town and villages, innovations in health and nutrition, waste management, blue economy, achieving sustainable development goals, initiative for digital India and science education. The third category is achievements at 75. These are aimed to showcase the S&T achievements of the country in the past 75 years in sectors such as defense, space, nuclear energy, health, engineering and mega structure, agriculture and various S&T institutions. The fourth would be Actions at 75. These events are aimed to chart an S&T action plan for New India. It would include deliberations on the National Language Transitions Mission, Artificial Intelligence and Internet of Things for Digital India, National Education Policy, Health and Nutrition, Clean Energy, Clean Air, Environment, Climate Change and Skill Development Mission. The fifth would be Resolved at 75. These events are aimed to come up with resolutions related to S&T towards achieving Atmanirbhar Bharat in areas such as energy, science and vernacular languages, defense, food, expanding generation of knowledge, and transforming India into a manufacturing hub of the world and a leading economy. Specialized events under IISF 2021 include a Science Literature Festival, a Science Film Festival, a Science Village Festival, Engineering Students Festival, Eco Festival, National Institutions Meet, and a New Age Technology Show. We look forward to having you with us. Stay tuned to India Science for more updates.